I am sick and tired of staying at Singapore for too long. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to escape from Singapore by sneaking into an airplane.
Welcome to Singapore Airlines Flight 316 to Guaynaville. The flight will take 13 hours and 30 minutes. Enjoy your flight.
13 hours and 30 minutes later.
We have now arrived at Guaynaville. Thank you for traveling with Singapore Airlines. We hope you enjoy the flight. Have a good day.
Finally, I am back at Guaynaville. So long, Singapore.
Dark Rosalina, how did you come back from Singapore? Did you escape from it?
As a matter of fact, yes, I escaped from Singapore by sneaking into an airplane.
What? Oh my god. I cannot believe you just escaped from Singapore by sneaking into an airplane. That's it. You are grounded for 10 days. Now go to your room now.
Wow.